infants tend to calm down. If they're mother skills, they tend to calm down because it's their mother skills. Anything they hold or touch, even your fingers, even muscles, or even a pen, they will suck it because it's their motor skills. Infants always have motor skills. That's what they do. It's their way of knowing their environment. Sometimes.
Second. Infants tend to cry a lot, especially whenever they feel hungry or when they feel that something is wrong with their surroundings or within the distance. Cry.
Infants tend to sleep a lot. As what I remember about our biology class before, the younger the age, the longer the time they sleep with each day. Infants feel secure and loved if their mother touches them.
Lastly, infants have hard time